What's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is Brenda, and for today's video I thought I would go ahead and just sit down and do an unboxing. I am really excited about the things that I got, so I want to go ahead and just share them with you all. I will link down below everything that I got, so if you want to get your hands on them and be twins, it'll be down there. This is not sponsored at all, but I did want to go ahead and leave it down there because I don't gatekeep. So yeah, before I get into today's video, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe because it would mean the world to me. Also, don't forget to leave a like or comment down below. Let me know what you think of today's video. And with that being said, let's go ahead and just jump in. The majority of the things I got were clothes, so I'm gonna start with the other stuff to like get that out of the way first. So the first thing that I got was when I was at Target, obviously, and I didn't go in for this, but I saw it and I had to get it. It's just this Starbucks, so I guess it's from Starbucks, but it's from Starbucks that was inside my Target. But yeah, I love their venti cups, and usually I can't find any cute ones, so when I saw this one I was like, yes, I bought it immediately. I love it so much. It's so cute. So yeah, that's the first thing I got that was kind of unnecessary, but it was cute, so I guess it kind of was. I'm really excited about the next thing. So the next thing I got was from Target. It's the bonsai, I think is how you say it. Yeah, it's from the Lego Botanical collection. Oh my god, isn't it so cute? I already opened it, so ignore that, but isn't it so cute? I haven't started building it yet because I just wanted to look at the pieces. First, it's 10,281 pieces, so I just wanted to look at them before I started building it. But I am so excited. This is gonna look so cute in my room, and yeah, I was really excited to find this at Target. So this was $49.99, but I had to get it. It's so cute. I was obsessed. Oh yeah, and the Starbucks cup was like a little more than 20 after taxes. I don't remember exactly how much it was. Oops. Okay, anyways, so the next thing I got was one of the main reasons I was looking at Target, but they didn't have it in store. I had to get it shipped to my house. But one thing I love about Target is that their shipping is so fast. It came in like, I think 2 or 3 days, so not that bad at all. But this was the main reason I was looking at Legos, and it was the Botanical Collection flower bouquet. Oh my god, I've been wanting this since last year, but I just never got it to be honest. But now that I saw that they had some in stock, I decided to bite the bullet and go ahead and get it. I am so excited to build this. I don't know if everyone has seen this, but if you have not seen it, it's literally just like a Lego flower bouquet, and I am so excited for it because I got a, here, let me show you. I got this cute plant holder for Christmas. I got it for myself, but yeah, it's like the bell bag from Animal Crossings, and it's a flower pot, or you can use it as like I don't know, something to hold your pens in. But I want to put the Lego flower bouquet in here, so I think it would be really cute, so I'm excited for that. I'm gonna go ahead and just move on to the clothes. I mainly got everything from PacSun. One thing I didn't get from PacSun, and I'm saving that till the end because I think it's like my favorite thing I got, to be honest. But yeah, so first I got all this stuff from PacSun when they were doing a deal. It was like 30% off your whole order, so that's how I justified everything. But first off, I got this pair of Obey, like kind of cargo jeans in a way, because they have like these pockets, but I love the back, how it's like cinched in like this, and they come up like they're really high-waisted, so they make me look really good. I love these. They're super super cute. And yeah, I don't remember how much these were on sale, so I'll be putting the prices like on the screen or down below, I'm not sure. But yeah, they're super cute. Love these. Next, I was ready to call the police for this because I was in shock. I could not believe it. Okay, when I looked at these on the website, they looked nothing like they did right now. They're like boyfriend jeans, so they are supposed to be really baggy. But, ma'am, huh? I did not know they were supposed to come fucking dirty as shit. Like, this literally looks like someone, like, just rubbed their fingers on the pants. What the fuck? And that's not even the worst part, y'all. Like, that's not even the worst part, I feel like. And on the back, it has these, like, I'll say milk, because I don't think I can say the other thing. It looks like dried milk stains on the back. Like, what? Huh? I'm all for, like, worn looking jeans, whatever, but these are just a no. And they're too big anyways, so they're long as hell. They don't even fit me in the waist, so yeah, these were a no. As you can see why, I'm going to be returning those because I was in shock. I'm still in shock. Like, what? No, I cannot. Moving on. Moving on. I'm already wearing them, so I can't even really show you, but I did take a video of them before I put them on, so I'll just insert that here. But it's just this pair of Van socks. They're just checkered and they're really cute. They were on sale for $7 and I just had to get them. Like, they're so cute. I am wearing them right now, as you can see, and I like how, like, thick they are. Ooh. I like how thick they are. They do fit me a little big, if you can see, but it's okay. You can just push it down. We're good to go. So yeah, I don't know. That was really random, but I love socks. Socks and t-shirts I feel like I just have enough of, but I just can't stop buying them. Oh well, they're cute and they were on sale, so. So the next thing is this pair of pants, and these have like the little Playboy like thing right here on the side. But I love these because they kind of look like trousers and they're flared. They are a little long on me, so I will need to go get them tailored to make them a little shorter. That way they fit better. But other than that, like, I love these. I'm so excited to like wear them. So yeah, I'm really excited for these. Oh my god, I thought I ripped this shirt over. And this, I just thought it was cute, and I love t-shirts. I keep saying that I need to stop buying t-shirts, but I can't help it. I love t-shirts. So this, I saw it on there when I was looking at this pants, and I had to get it. I like how it's just, you know, cute, simple. It's like oversized. It's a medium, but it's still like kind of, you know. But yeah, I really like this shirt just to like be around the house, go to the gym. Who knows? But yeah, I really like that. Next, I didn't realize how many Playboy things I got, but whatever, it's fine. Next, I got this Playboy. Why? I don't know why everything I got had the word boyfriend in it, because the jeans were boyfriend jeans, the shirt was a boyfriend shirt. Now this is a boyfriend jacket. But yeah, so this jacket I got because I just thought it was so cute. And I had it in my cart for a long time. And then they had the 30% off sale, so I was like, well, let me get that hoe. I think originally this was, let me see. Yeah, originally this was $80 and I got it for like 25 or 28, I want to say. So not bad at all. That's why I had to get it. It's so comfy on the inside, and I'm gonna love to like layer things with this. So yeah, I'm really excited. But if you're gonna get this, I will say I got an extra small small, and usually I get a medium and everything, and it is still kind of like oversized, so keep that in mind if you're going to be getting that. And the shirt too, since it's like, I didn't mention it when I showed it, but since it's like since it's a boyfriend shirt, it is a little bit oversized, so as you can see, this is a medium, so keep that in mind as well if you like bigger things or looser fitting things. I don't know. Cool. Okay, and finally, the best for last. I am so excited for this. If the outfit I have in mind looks good with this, it's going to be a part of my Bad Bunny concert outfit, so cross your finger. Oh, I just showed it, I think. Okay, buddy. It's so cute. I don't even know you can fully see it. This I got from Forever 21, so this is the one thing I did not get from PacSun, but Forever 21 was having a sale too. I think it was like, I don't remember how much off, and my sister had a really old Forever 21 gift card, so I got this for a really good price. I got it for like 20 something dollars, I want to say, and originally it's like, I don't know because the price isn't on here, but yeah, I love it. From like being from Forever 21, I was not expecting it to be this great quality. Like, it feels so nice and like heavy, and I just know this is gonna be like one of my favorite jackets. Like, my favorite color is pink, so it's like, this is perfect. Like, I'm just so happy with this. I don't know, yeah, I'm just really excited for all the outfits I'm gonna have with the clothes that I got. Yeah, a lot of it I did buy in mind to have like options for the Bad Bunny concert, but I ended up buying a dress for the concert, so we'll see. We'll just see what I end up wearing. I will be doing an unboxing for the dress because it is to die for. Oh my god, wow, I'm just so excited. So yeah, I'll be doing a video of me unboxing that once it comes in the mail. But yeah, that is everything that I bought. I honestly, I didn't buy as much as I thought I did originally, so that's a good thing. But yeah, that's it. I don't really know what else to say, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. Please leave a comment down below letting me know if you liked the video or if you hated it or what you want to see from me. I am just really excited to be pushing out a lot more videos this year because I just know it's gonna be a really good year. I have a lot of things in store for this year, and I don't know, I just feel so happy and so different than before, so be on the lookout for that. But again, I hope you guys have a great day, a great rest of your week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!